It's not Rona. So my hair is extra flippy today, which is kind of weird. People are always asking me,
girl, do a closet tour.
And yeah, I do want to do that, but I also want to clean it out, and people have asked for that one too. So that's what we're doing today, because honestly, it's getting to a point where I have to fish for hangers in like Dylan's closet or in the downstairs closet. I actually have a little pile of clothes in my closet of things that just don't have hangers for them. So it's getting a little bit out of control. I'll be honest, I don't think I need to get rid of clothes. I think I need to get a bigger closet, but that is just not the case right now. I have no empty walls in this room. Like, everything is filled, so anything more than what's already in my room would just make it too chaotic for me, and at that point I'm gonna be living in my backyard, so we're gonna have to just get rid of some clothes. Today we're just gonna do the things that are hung up. I have to do it in sections. Like, I even go through just my shoes on its own time. If you're wondering why I'm wearing such a plain outfit, then it's because it helps me to like try things on faster. This shit takes me hours and hours. It's okay. It's okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. Let me introduce you to my closet. This is camera. This is closet. I have jackets, blazers, two pieces, short dresses, long dresses, short sleeves, graphic t-shirts, stripes, patterns, pattern button-ups, long sleeve pattern button-ups, jeans, pants. I need some more electrolytes. I told them that it tastes like Jell-O, but I don't think it actually tastes like Jell-O. I think I just want it to taste like Jell-O. But it does look like Jell-O.
Scientific formula?
But it doesn't say organic, but it's scientific formula, so I guess that's good enough, right? Wrong. See, this is like a whole nother project in this corner right here. These are just belts. If you thought that was enough. No, there's another one right here. I take everything out in a section and then put back only my most favorite pieces back in there that I know for sure I want to keep. Okay, so this is like a definite. I don't have to think about this. That's the type of things that are going in there. These are the only two pieces that like I can wear without a bra and it makes my boobs look really good. And they're both Trip NYC pieces. Even though it's not necessarily my style, I feel so good when I wear it. This is a newer piece and I love this color. I actually have worn this multiple times. I'm keeping this. This is like very plain, but this is actually from the 70s by Stone Gear. And I think it looks really good when it's like pulled back. I'm keeping that. I don't know how much I don't know what I feel about that one. When I was going over my clothes, oh my god, I legit could not see the record sign and I nearly lost my mind, but it was because the clothes are like hiding that. This one I'm keeping, and I think the pattern is just so sick and it fits tight and like cute, which is not something that I get very often. So this is a keeper. I've had this for a really long time and I've always debated on getting rid of it, but at the same time I'm always like, I just feel like getting rid of it because I haven't worn it yet, but that doesn't mean that I don't want it. I like this one. I think it's like one of the coolest little vests I've ever seen. The only thing is that I do feel like it might be a little bit too tight for my taste of like what I want a vest to sit like on my body. I love this color. It comes with a belt. I can make this look really cool. A part of getting rid of stuff is redefining my closet into the style that I am currently into. I have this piece, which is, oh my gosh, look how beautiful that looks on the camera. This is fabulous. This kind of like Gucci though, because I haven't had enough hangers for everything. I have been using one hanger for multiple things, so this is kind of like my pullover hanger. I don't know how I feel about this. This one is pretty cute though. I like this. Look at the cuffs. Just look at the cuffs. It just makes me feel really good to like see it and like see like I made progress, even though I know I'm gonna put like 75% of that stuff back in here. Probably all of it. I just got this pink one. This is a freaking staple, this black one. One of the criteria from like what I keep in my closet is like, is it Gucci though? This vest is really sick. It's like very psychedelic. I've had this for so many years and I've never worn it, but I know one day it's gonna happen. Some pieces like it stays in my closet and I can like debate on getting rid of it, but then like one day I put it in an outfit that just like it looks so good that I'm like, wow, I'll never get rid of this, even though that's the only outfit that I would wear it with. I know my own mind games on myself. See, this is a good example. Like I was super iffy on like if I even liked it for real, but then I wore it in this like very like 70s type outfit and I was like, wow, I'm never getting rid of this. I really, really like it. But now I'm looking at it again and I'm like, yeah, but that's the only outfit that I would really wear it with. Like, do I see myself wearing that outfit again is the question. And I also want my closet to be a little bit more colorful. And this one is so cute. Dylan never lets me get rid of it, but I literally never wear it. It's got a bunch of frogs on it and they're high as fuck. What are they even doing? They don't even know. Okay, wow, we minimized it to 3 vests on here. That's kind of good. Okay, next. Definitely a keeper. Love this color. It's cropped. It looks cute on me. It's vintage. Keeper. Actually, I don't know. I love Roger Rabbit. It's one of my favorite movies of all time, but that doesn't mean that I have to own it in a shirt. This is kind of like a pajama shirt almost that I wear in public. This piece is pretty cute. I don't know what it says, so if you know what it says, could you please tell me? I mean, just look at the dragon though. I have to keep this one. He's cute. I don't even think these types of shirts look good on me because they make my boobs look bigger, and I don't like when my boobs look bigger than they are, because they are already bigger than they need to be. Thanks, Dad. So this piece I do really like and I wear it a lot. Keeping this one. Oh, okay, these two are 100% definites. This one and this one. Never gonna get rid of those probably. This I like because it had different texture to it. I cropped it myself, but I still have never worn it. I don't know if I ever will. Yeah, it's just like,
looks like a sock.
I like this one. It's very simple, but I like that it's like a cool texture type, and it's cropped. I'm trying to give myself like 5 seconds to like think about it, and if I can't make up my decision in 5 seconds, then I'm gonna try it on basically. I'm gonna have to see how this one fits on me. I've had this one for so many years. I think I need to go on Pinterest and look at styles that I really like right now. That way it can kind of help me define what I'm gonna get rid of and keep. I have so many things to try on. Okay, maybe we're just gonna do this half of my closet. This is getting to be very long. How the hell did that happen? All right, this I actually just bought, and I'm really upset about it because I bought it off of Depop, and in the picture it was white, but then I got it and this is definitely not white. This is like dirty blue, and this was not a cheap shirt. So I learned the trick with this shirt is that I just have to wear blue pants with it. It makes it look more white. Unfortunately, that's what I have to do. But I'll wear it one time and then I guess I'll resell it. The see-through one, I'll have to try on, see how I like the way it fits my body. It's cute. I love that it's like see-through and I could wear like a little thing underneath, but this neck hole swoop, it just isn't flattering on my body type. And this one I do really like. I think it's very cute, but my problem with this top is that I don't have the perfect bra to wear with it because this is pretty see-through. I want to give it like a really good chance. This one I thought was really cool, but I've never worn it, but I still think it's really neat. This is also like a really nice tight-fitting piece. It's that same like glittery. I'm gonna keep this because I know during the winter time I am gonna wear it. My sister gave me this one, very like Y2K 90s. See, this is what I hate about these types of hangers. They give these little indents. The velvet ones do that too.
Take that shit off.
What? I want to like it, but yeah, it's not really my style. I've had this for so long, but I do still love it. I don't know why I smelled it. This one always just makes me think of Cocoa Mountain on Nintendo 64, which is like a good thing. And this I got from Delia's. I think it's really cool, but I also don't know if this is even my style. Okay, as for graphic t-shirts, I think I'm gonna pretty much keep all of these because I've gone through it before. Kiss Concert, I just bought this one. It glows in the dark. This is like a tight-fitting tie-dye shirt. Paul McCartney Concert, oversized t-shirt, Tasmanian Devil. This one I guess I was a little indecisive about. If it wasn't for the fact that the ladybugs were also on the back, then I would definitely get rid of this. But this is kind of dope. And this I will never, ever, 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 ever get rid of. It glows in the dark. Keeping. I'm always indecisive about this one, but I feel like I never really gave it a chance. We're gonna keep it. This, I just save it for Halloween time. I love scary movies. Okay, so this one I know I don't like the way it fits me, but it's a fucking robotic dragon. If this isn't the dopest graphic you've ever seen. Oh, I just hate the fucking neck hole.
I mean, that's always a problem with shirts like that. I mean, I've been looking for shirts like that, but it's always the neck hole.
Yeah, but this fucking dragon though. Okay, I wish I could take the dragon off and put it on my face. Maybe I'll just get a tattoo of it. That is not a bad idea. That would be a very expensive tattoo though. Definitely never getting rid of this. It seems like a very classic shirt to me. Like, I feel like if I was a cartoon character, this is the shirt that I would always wear. This one is pretty cool. I think this is like a skate brand, but I think this graphic is really nice. I'm just not crazy about this yellow. I don't really like this neon. Definitely not getting rid of this one. Look, it's just like a clan of bugs. I love that it doesn't have any weird words on it. It's just the bugs. Well, on the back it says bug attack, but that's still really sick. Never getting rid of that. This one I'm never getting rid of because look at the back. That's all you need to know. That's the point of this video, is that I want to get rid of things. I want you gone. No, I don't. I don't really. I'm sorry, baby. This I'm gonna get rid of because I kind of dyed it blue and fuck it. I don't even care. Okay, this one I've had also for a really long time. Love the colors. This was like my favorite shirt. So I feel like, I don't know if I'm just keeping it for memories or because I still really like it. Like, it's like a little bit of both. This is another Ren and Stimpy shirt, but I like that this one has got like a worn out look to it. I wear this one more than this one. Okay, I'm keeping this one. I feel like it gives me the similar vibe as this one right here. This is for a video that I want to do, sneak peek. And can you guess what it is? No, you can't. I have this top. It's a v-neck, which I'm not crazy about v-necks, but I like the color combo, and I think this gives me like Monsters Inc. vibes. My sister gave me this. I think it's cute, but I also think that it's not super special. I have this, which I'm also not too crazy about, but I think it's supposed to fit nice. I don't remember. I'm not crazy about the print, but I do like the colors and I do like the fit. And I feel like it's kind of Gucci. I just need the perfect thing to go over it. Even this basic vest makes it look pretty sick. I have this top, which is, it like fits nice, but I also don't know how I feel about it. This one is cool. I like the tight fit, but I feel like it doesn't really fit the style that I'm going for. It's not very whimsical or eccentric. It's very like, I'm about to go on a hike look, or I'm about to go camping. I love Dr. Seuss, but I never wear this. Well, literally, I don't have enough time in my life to wear all of this, is the thing. If I try to wear each piece that I'm considering getting rid of, like, that would be the next 5 years of my life. This one I'm keeping. This one is kind of cool. It reminds me of that picture of Drew Barrymore on the phone. That's the type of vibe I think of when I pull this out. I think this looks cool with just like denim pants. It's a very like 90s stoner vibes. I love Disney, and I think Minnie on this shirt is so freaking cool. The sad part about this is that I know somebody cut the sleeves off, and I wish they didn't, because I think I would like it more if it was long sleeve. Because this is like a sweater material. Like, when do I want something that's sweater material but short sleeved? This piece is just like, okay. This is a good one.
You could probably wear that with some kooky pants.
No, he did not. Are you... Okay, I have two striped shirts here that are very similar. And I always reconsider this one every single time. I know I like this one. This one is also just okay. I like how thick the stripes are, but it also makes me think of Blue's Clues. Like, I feel like I look like Steve. Or maybe the other guy. Or maybe the dog. This piece is really cool. I need to get electrolit again. This piece I do want to keep. I love the poofy sleeves and the checkerboard. It's like, this is like a really cool piece to like add dynamic to a fit. Okay, so I know for sure I'm getting rid of this. I think this is really cool, but I've literally never worn it. I literally don't think I ever will. Very disco vibes. This is like a leotard, is that what you call it? I kept it because I like the top part. Don't know if I'll ever wear it, but I do think it's really cool looking. I look like a character from Xenon, girl of the 21st century. I think it makes my butt look good.
Yeah.
No! This is a two-piece set. I'm gonna keep this because it's very like pop star vibes. I have like a pop star vibe section in my closet. So like this bra and this top. These two for sure keeping. I love these patterns. I'm gonna keep this one because I think it's really unique. That's like the annoying thing about my style is that I don't have one style. I don't know how to just create one cohesive wardrobe. I don't think I am capable of that. I love this one. It's got bugs on it. I love bugs. You might find that as a reoccurring trend in my closet. This one I really like, I think. I hope you know like how much is in this. This is not sponsored. I don't even know what this is. Literally before the video started, I found it in the refrigerator and then I asked Dylan if I could have it. He said yeah, and then he said there was a berry one in the fridge, but I said it was too late because I already opened it. I honestly feel like I could take a nap. Another thing that I like to think about when I'm like trying to choose if I want to keep something or not is like, do I have something of the same style or color or whatever that I would wear multiple times before I would wear this one? If I don't feel like really good in a piece, then I'm just gonna always find an excuse not to wear it. I'm not trying to think too hard about it. If I have like a little bit of doubt, it's going in the trash. Okay, not in the trash. It's going to my Depop pile. So if you like something that I'm putting away, you'll see it on my shop and you can own it yourself. And I bet you it'll look better on you than it does on me. So follow me at Color Club Depop and eventually I will post a collection of this stuff. You wanna get electrolit?
I'm already electrolyte.
Oh shit. Got a blast!